Good day viewers, and thanks for tuning in to Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with the free petrochemicals news show. You're watching the Petrochemical Market Synopsis with me, Pratiksha Jaipal. It's Wednesday, September 14th. Let's start with energy news. Crude oil prices inched lower on Tuesday as a rise in consumer inflation in the US raised the probability of the US Federal Reserve going for a 75 basis point interest rate hike. The fall in prices was also driven by a rise in the value of the US dollar. Brent crude prices fell by 83 cents, settling at $93.17 per barrel, while WTI futures decreased by 47 cents, settling at $87.31 per barrel. On Tuesday, OPEC naphtha prices rose by $14 per metric ton at $668 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Before we move on to Asian market updates for PP, PE and the PVC, please do click on the bell icon to subscribe to our free news channel, and if you like today's video, please remember to like this video by giving us a thumbs up. It motivates us to continue to bring you this free informative news service on a daily basis. Back to Asian market updates for PP, PE and the PVC. In PVC, this week PVC prices were assessed lower in the Asian region despite a rise in PVC futures on the Dalian Commodity Exchange in China and higher upstream energy values. The fall in prices was also triggered by lower import offers from overseas suppliers. In China, PVC prices were assessed at USD 830 to 850 per metric ton CFR levels, a sharp fall of 20 to 50 USD per metric ton from the previous week. In Southeast Asia, PVC prices were assessed at 820 to 870 USD per metric ton CFR levels, a week-on-week plunge of 30 to 60 US dollars per metric ton. In India, PVC prices were assessed at USD 900 to 920 per metric ton CFR levels, a tumble of USD 70 per metric ton from last week. In PP, this week PP prices marched higher across the Asian region. Prices firmed on the back of firmer import offers from overseas suppliers amid tightened product supplies as a result of reduced run rates and maintenance turnarounds at plants. A week-on-week rise in upstream crude and propylene feedstock values also pushed prices higher in the region. In PE, this week, LDPE and LLDPE prices gained in Asia, while HDPE prices were assessed higher in parts of the Asian region. Higher import offers from overseas suppliers coupled with stronger upstream crude values supported the price rise. In China, a surge in PE futures boosted market sentiment. Most distributors kept their prices firm with an improvement in buying activity as an increasing number of traders showed promptness in restocking inventories ahead of the holiday season. Though market sentiments remained positive, some concerns were raised on the resurgence of pandemic cases in North and South China. The implementation of stringent pandemic containment measures in some regions of China led to logistic bottlenecks, which constrained cargo movement. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. This is Polymer Update with me, Pratiksha Jaipal from Mumbai. Many thanks for watching.